Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're comparing the iPhone 17 Pro Max and Xiaomi 17 Pro Max cameras to the test. We'll check out video quality, ultra-wide shots, low-light performance, and both daylight and night photos. Let's see which one really stands out. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with three 48 megapixel cameras on the back, while the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max comes with three 50 megapixel cameras on the back. You can see the details of the iPhone 17 Pro Max look much better with colors that are sharper and more vibrant. Here's the ultra-wide video at 4K 60 frames per second. As you can see, the iPhone 17 Pro Max captures a wider dynamic range and more consistent detail across the frame. Let's move on to the low-light video comparison. The iPhone 17 Pro Max details in low light are very sharp. Let's move on to the daylight and low light photos. The iPhone 17 Pro Max camera truly stands out with its natural colors and sharp details. Which one do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.